Hare Krishna. This place is called Kunjamat at Jagannath Puri. This is a very holy place. This is the place where Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed initially as soon as he came to Jagannath Puri. So Chaitanya Charitamrita explains Mahaprabhu goes to have darshan of Lord Jagannath. He becomes unconscious there. Sarvam Bhattacharya takes Mahaprabhu to his house. Mahaprabhu stays there for some time and then Sarvam Bhattacharya arranges this place for Mahaprabhu. So this was also the place of Sarvam Bhattacharya's aunt. So no one used to stay there. So Sarvam Bhattacharya arranged this place for Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu stayed here and then from here he goes to South India. And after coming back from South India, Mahaprabhu goes and stays at Gambhira. So this is the first place where Mahaprabhu stayed in Jagannath Puri, Kunjamat. This is also the place which is the Bhajan Kutir of Shyamananda Prabhu and his disciple Rasikananda Prabhu. The story is like this. In the year 1619, much after Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shyamananda Prabhu, who is a very powerful associate of Mahaprabhu, along with his disciple Rasikananda Prabhu, they come to Jagannath Puri to participate in the Rath of Lord Jagannath. And they come to Atara Nala, which is the outskirts of Jagannath Puri. And that time the Rath had already started. But the Rath of Lord Jagannath didn't move further. So that time Lord Jagannath comes in the dream of the Pujari and tells him, please call Rasikananda Prabhu and Shyamananda Prabhu. So when both of them come, they circumambulate the Rath of Jagannath and Rasikananda Prabhu keeps his head on the chariot wheel of Jagannath and the Rath of Jagannath moves to Gundicha temple. The king of Puri, Purushottam Devarai, was so much impressed by the power of Rasikananda Prabhu and Shyamananda Prabhu, he gives this place called Kunjamat to Shyamananda Prabhu and Rasikananda Prabhu. Later on, somewhere around 1637, Rasikananda Prabhu goes to have darshan of Lord Jagannath inside the Jagannath temple, and there is a Vatavriksha, a banyan tree, below which there was a deity of Radha Krishna called Vata Krishna. These deities came along with Rasikananda Prabhu to this place, and Krishna told the king that I will just stay here. So because these deities came here and because these deities were served by Rasikananda Prabhu, the name of these deities became Radha Rasik Rai. You can have the darshan of these deities here. So this is also the Bhajan Kutir of Shyamananda Prabhu and Rasikananda Prabhu. And later on, Baldev Vidyabhushan, who becomes one of the great acharyas in our parampara, he also comes here. Baldev Vidyabhushan was a follower of Madhvacharya, but after coming here and studying Shad Sandarbha right here under the followers of Shyamananda Prabhu and Rasikananda Prabhu, he becomes converted to a Gaudiya Vaishnava. And from here he goes to Vrindavan. So this is also the Bhajan Kutir of Baldev Vidyabhushan. So this is a very, very holy place. This is the place where Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rasikananda Prabhu, Shyamananda Prabhu, Baldev Vidyabhushan, all of them resided. Kunjamat, Jagannath Puri. Hare Krishna.